Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this video tutorial, I will guide you through the process of setting up a proxy in a web browser using Human Emulator, a tool that simulates human-like actions and is commonly used for multi-accounting. And with the use of a proxy, the work will also be anonymous. Let's get started. Launch the Human Emulator application and select the Quick Start tab. In the list provided, locate Quick Start and click on the plus sign. From the list that appears, select Create a new script and double-click on it with the left mouse button. You will now have a template for a new script. After the Require command, you need to insert a command for using a proxy, where you will specify your proxy's IP address and port. To make it more convenient for you, I will leave this command in the video description, so you can simply copy and paste it. Below that command, you will find the command indicating which site to visit using the proxy. In the brackets, replace Google with the desired site for which you want to use the proxy. Now it's time to run the script to ensure everything is working correctly. Click on the green arrow located at the top. If everything is properly set up, you will see the site you specified in the script displayed on the right side. Additionally, you can verify the displayed IP address to confirm whether it matches the IP address of your proxy. If it does, then the proxy is correctly set up and operational. However, if your actual IP address is still being shown, it means you need to set up another functional proxy within the script. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.